Today, we are going to check out the top 5 best air fryers available on the market. We made this list quality price, user experience, testing, and based on customer reviews. If you want to see more information on the updated price on the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. Ninja FD400 1 Air Fryer. A versatile appliance, the Ninja Foodie pressure cooker and air fryer has air frying capabilities, as well as pressure cooking, baking, slow cooking and steaming function, among several others. This appliance has a 5-quart ceramic-coated pot and a 3-quart cook and crisp basket that can hold up to a 4-pound chicken or 3 pounds of French fries. And its 8-quart capacity makes it an ideal option for large households. This 12-in-1 appliance includes a special crisping lid that gives food a crunchy, golden finish, and it has a wide range of safety features to prevent accidents while pressure cooking and air frying. The pressure cook setting prepares food 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, all while sealing in juices. It can also cook frozen foods, saving you the hassle of defrosting. Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex Pro. If you're cooking for a family or want to be able to air fry for guests, you may want something that's a little larger. The Instant Vortex Pro air fryer offers a much larger capacity than other options on this list, sitting in at a hefty 10 quarts. It's advanced technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Perfect for self-basting and tumble frying. Top heating element with fan ensures optimal cooking and baking performance. 6 customizable programs for one-touch rotisserie-style chicken, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. Thankfully, it's not just big. The Instant Vortex Pro air fryer is also highly functional, offering 9 settings, including the ability to bake, broil, air fry, dehydrate, and more. It's a little more expensive than some of the others on this list, but it's still very affordable and nowhere near the price of the premium options. Number 3. Philips Essential Air Fryer. Bring home this air fryer so you can have 100% taste satisfaction with crispy on the outside and tender on the inside results using little to no added oil, with up to 90% less fat. Its unique and patented starfish design creates the fastest and most even results by allowing all food to be exposed to constant circulating heat, allowing you to cook a variety of foods to a delicious, crispy result. The air fryer can do more than just fry. It also grills, roasts, bakes, and even reheats. The digital touchscreen comes with 7 presets to make it easy to decide which temperature is best to cook your food, and a keep warm function makes sure your food is ready when you are. Cook up to 5 portions of food for the whole family at once. Unleash the full potential of your Philips air fryer to cook meals that are tastier and healthier by downloading the Philips Kitchen app to discover hundreds of tasty recipes and explore features to strengthen your cooking skills and make homemade meals that you and your family love every day. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and our air fryer's quick clean basket has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. An included 1-year warranty helps maintain peace of mind. Number 2. Dash Tasty Crisp Air Fryer. Many air fryers are quite large and take up a fair bit of counter space, but if you're looking for a smaller appliance, the Dash Tasty Crisp Air Fryer is an affordable option that will take up minimal room. This 2.6-quart air fryer is very basic, solely offering air frying with few additional features. There's a dial on the top of the unit to set the temperature and a dial on the front to set the time, and it will automatically shut off when the timer ends to prevent overcooking. The redesigned crisper basket allows for greater surface area inside the air fryer, so food gets more crisp, faster. Perfect for cooking frozen treats like chicken nuggets, fish sticks, and other snacks. This is a compact air fryer families will love. The Dash is vetted, editor approved. As one staffer shares, it is small and manageable, and the handle on top makes it easy to move around. Number 1. Kasori Air Fryer. The Kasori was one of the best looking air fryers we tested. Its boxy, matte design is sleek enough to be left out on the countertop. But luckily it's not just style over substance. This model has 11 preset options, a 5.5-liter capacity which cooked 4 good portions of fries in one go, and a 1.8 chicken easily with room around it. If you're going for a 2.7 chicken, we'd recommend spatchcocking it before adding to the basket due to the relatively shallow depth of the trays. The model enthusiastically reminds you to shake its contents during cooking, so even if your kitchen is a busy one, When on manual function, the temperatures can be adapted from 75 degrees for lower. Slower cooking and timings are adjustable from 1:16 minutes. Chips for 2 people were evenly browned using the preset having been pre-tossed in 1 tablespoon of oil. Although they were not super crisp, quantities for 4 took 2 rounds of preset cooking. The baskets were thrown in the dishwasher, easy clean up, a great benefit. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.